How to install a buck channel to repair an out-of-square buck. Occasionally, an Easy Buck can become racked or out of square during the pouring of the concrete wall. There are several reasons this might happen. The buck was not properly nailed and braced, the pour was too fast, or during the pouring process, concrete was not evenly distributed around the Boman Kemp Easy Buck. If the buck becomes out of square, typically the head and sill are level and the jambs are out of plumb. Instead of cutting out concrete, an acceptable repair would be to use Bowman Kemp repair channels and an undersized window to solve the problem. The procedure we are about to show you is easy to do and will save you a lot of time and money. Step 1. Measuring for a replacement window. When you discover the buck is out of square, measure the inside dimensions to obtain the size of the new window to be made. Most out-of-square bucks will be resolved with a window downsized a ½ inch. Step 2. Order the replacement window. Order the undersized window from your dealer. When you order the replacement window, be sure to order a set of 4 Easy Buck repair channels, which you will use to resize the window buck. The repair channels come in 4 feet and 5 feet lengths. Typically, you will only need to put the repair channels on the jambs and not the head and sill. When you return with the replacement window to do the installation, pick up with Step 3. Step 3. Preparing the Easy Buck channels. Place the Easy Buck channels on a solid surface and use a hammer to slightly dent the flanges to close the channel a bit for a tighter fit. Step 4. Fitting the Easy Buck channels. Test fit, then mark and cut the buck channel to the appropriate length using tin snips or a high-speed grinder. Tap them into place on the buck channels, squaring and plumbing as you go. Measure the inside dimensions to verify sizing for the new window. Adjust as needed, then draw lines to mark the ideal placement. Step 5. Installing the Easy Buck channels. Mark or note the location for each channel, then remove the channels. Put a bead of silicone on the inside of the channel on both sides near the edges. Apply spray foam and install each channel according to the marks you made on the buck. Install the jambs first, then the head and the sill if required. Step 6. Touch-up. Be sure to fill all gaps with silicone. Best practice calls for the application of foil tape placed where the repair channel meets the Easy Buck. Step 7. Install the window. Install the window using the same procedures as a normal window installation.